Time once again for our weekly chat with Jason Dwyer, Managing Director of station sponsor Dwyer Property Investments. I think it's fair to say that when you think of Sunshine Coast property, the Dwyer name comes to mind. The Dwyer family have been in business on the coast now for 35 years. Jason works with Dwyer Quality Homes to help local people invest in residential property, and believe me, rental properties are in short supply right now.
Yeah, Bruce, there's definitely a shortage of housing available for rent. It's very difficult for people in the rental market to find a place they can afford in a location they want to live. Vacancy rates are at a record low. Right across the Sunshine Coast, there's fewer properties on the market. Inevitably, this pushes up rents.
So how tight is the market?
Well, official figures put the vacancy rate at about 0.5%, but in some areas it's actually hit zero. Tenants are going on waiting lists, and our property division receives multiple applications for the handful of properties that do come on the market.
Jason, why has supply dropped so dramatically here on the coast?
Well, there simply aren't enough houses available for rent, and there's very little land to build new houses on. Investors walked away from the market last year because of COVID, so for about 6 months there were no investment properties were being built, and that's now caught up with us. But Bruce, I'm looking forward, and there is good news. The economic outlook is more positive, and investors are back in the market building again.
And I know you're a strong advocate of practical property investment especially.
Yes, I am. The fact is, there is no quick fix. It will take time for those new properties to come online, and until then, rents will remain high on the coast, and supply will be low. Another important factor, the Sunshine Coast is the most popular destination for interstate migration, so that will also keep demand high. The bottom line? This really is an outstanding time to become a property investor.
And so how are you responding to these very tight market conditions?
Well, Stockton's, for example, has released 56 new blocks of land at Aura in Caloundra South. They brought that release forward by 2 years to meet demand, so we've been able to secure some good blocks in that new release.
And so clearly, if you've been thinking about investing in real estate, now's the time to speak to Jason from Dwyer Property Investments.
Yeah, thanks, Bruce. Contact details are at dwyerpropertyinvestments.com.au, as well as the properties that are available now and in the pipeline.